The topic for today is how to create a new AdSense account and replace it with an existing AdSense account. Important reminder: start this process before your earnings reach the payment threshold. Once your revenue is processed after crossing the threshold limit and the next payment cycle begins, replacing your AdSense account becomes more complicated and may lead to loss of earnings. To create an AdSense account, search Create an AdSense account in Google. Click on the Google AdSense account. Click on Google AdSense. Click on Sign Up. Select the email ID for which you want to create a new AdSense account. After clicking, a startup page will appear. His first option: your website. Since I'm creating this account for a YouTube channel, put a tick on I don't have a site yet. The next option is to get more out of AdSense. Select Yes. Click on the billing country or territory. Scroll down and select your country. In this case, do not select any other country than your own. After clicking, the AdSense Terms and Conditions page will activate. Scroll down the entire terms and conditions and read them carefully. Put a tick in the box if you have read and accept the agreement. Click on Start using AdSense. After clicking, the account information page will appear. Let's click on Payment. Click on Payment Info. From here, you can create a payment account. Next, click on the verification check. Using this option, you can verify your identity. Let's click on Home. Click on Enter Information. After clicking, the customer information page will appear. Here you can see account name will come by default from your Gmail ID and account type is automatically selected as individual. Next, enter your address line 1. And if you have address line 2, enter that also. During typing, Google may automatically detect and autofill your address. You can select that or type it in manually. Then type your city. Next, enter your postal code. Next, select your state. Verify all your data and click on Submit. After clicking, the phone number verification page will appear. Enter your phone number and select the mode of verification. For example, I am selecting text message. Click on Send. After clicking, you will get one verification code on your phone number. Type that code in the verification box. Click on Submit. After clicking, you can see payment information submitted successfully. Next, open your YT Studio app in mobile. Click on Earn. Here you can see my earnings for the month of May are $3.18. The minimum payment threshold for YouTube is $100. So, make sure to replace your AdSense account while your earnings are still $0. Once you remove your existing AdSense account, any balance below $100 will not be paid out. In my case, the $3.18 I earned is not recoverable. Next, open your YouTube Studio login in the browser where you want to replace your existing AdSense account with a new AdSense account. Click on Earn. Click on Change. After clicking, a verification pop-up will appear. Click Next. After clicking, a verification window will appear. Type your registered phone number. Click Send. Upon clicking, a one-time password will be sent to your registered phone number. Enter the OTP received in your registered mobile number. Click Next. After clicking, the AdSense Association Redirect Confirmation window will appear. Normally, this association will take a couple of minutes or a maximum of 2 to 3 weeks. Click on Continue. After clicking, it will redirect you to the Gmail login page. Select the new Gmail account to which you transfer your YouTube channel. Type your password. Click Next. After clicking, Publisher account details will appear. Verify all your details and click Continue. After clicking, Google AdSense Terms and Conditions page will appear. Scroll down the entire terms and conditions and read them carefully. Put a tick in the box if you have read and accept the agreement. Click on Set Up Account. After clicking, the customer information page will appear. Verify all the details which you have entered. Click on Submit. Here you can see all details are submitted successfully, and it proceeds for further review. This process usually takes less than a day, but in some cases, it may take a little bit longer. Click on Redirect to YouTube. After that, the YouTube Studio page will start updating. After you can see AdSense verification initiated, whose status is in progress. After 2 days, I have received an email for identity verification within 45 days to continue monetizing and receive payments. Let's open YT Studio. In your notification, you will get Action Required notification. You will get the same notification in your AdSense account also. Click on Action. After that, the Verify Your Identity option will appear. You must complete this process before the deadline. There are 2 types of account verification methods available. First, online verification with persona. This process takes around 10 minutes. Second, ID and physical mail PIN method. This method takes approximately 2 to 4 weeks. Click on Verify now. After clicking, Persona's site redirect link will appear. Click on Continue. After clicking, verification process will begin. Click on Begin Verifying. After clicking, your government ID country option will appear. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Click on Select. After clicking, you get all eligible government ID list. Important reminder, please use a government-issued ID where your photo is clear and accurately matches your current appearance. Any mismatch may result in ID verification failure. Select the ID which you want to utilize. After clicking, it will give you a redirect link for phone for using camera, or you can send this link through email. Scan the QR code using your phone. Select your ID. For example, I am selecting driving license. Click on the camera icon. Sometimes your phone may ask for camera permission. Click on Allow. After clicking, the camera will open. Position the front of the government ID. Click on the photo. Click on Use this photo. Next, the back of the ID option will appear automatically. Position the back of the government ID. Click on the photo. Click on Use this photo. After clicking, it will start processing your ID. After processing, some pre-filled data will appear. Please review your data and make any necessary modifications if required. During typing, Google may automatically detect and autofill your address. You can select that or type it in manually. Then, enter your apartment number. Next, enter your postal code. Then type your city. Next, enter your state. Verify all your data and click on Continue. After clicking, the Face ID verification step will initiate. Click on Get Started. After clicking, your phone may ask for camera permission. Click on Allow. After clicking, your front camera will activate. You can flip your camera from here. Next, place your face at the center. And then look slightly left. And during this process, do not click on Take Photo. For example, I have clicked on Take Photo, and verification has failed. If this happens, don't panic and click on Continue. Again, the process will start. Again, slowly look slightly left and look directly at the camera, and Persona will capture the photo automatically. Next, slowly look slightly left and look directly at the camera. And Persona will capture a photo automatically, and it will start verifying, which may take a little bit of time. After some time, a successful identity verification message will appear. Click on Done. After clicking, it will ask for an AdSense login. Type your password or use a passkey for login. Let's skip the other things for the time being. Here you can see personal info verified. Let's move to YT Studio in the browser and click on Done. Here you can see the additional tax info notification is activated. Next, you can add your site other than YouTube. Next is the monetization guidelines warning. Let's click on payment info and wait for data updating. As you can see, my current revenue is $0. In YouTube Studio, the personal information update was still pending, which usually takes some time to reflect. After approximately 12 hours, the personal information verification was updated, and setup is in progress. Let's update the US tax info. For this, open AdSense account. Click on Manage Tax Info. After clicking, tax info will start loading, which may take some time. How to submit tax info was already explained in my previous video. The link is given below. After successful US tax info submission, you will get a tax info approval email confirmation, which means your US tax info was submitted successfully. After some time, you will see the Submit Tax Info notification appear in YT Studio. Don't panic in this moment. This will take some time to update. In my case, it took 1 hour to update. So, let's skip to the good part. Here you can see that I replaced my AdSense account on October 2nd. On the same day, my revenue dropped to almost zero. After October 10th, my earnings returned to normal. I lost around 8 days of revenue during this period, and unfortunately, it is not recoverable. Next, click on Earn. Here you can see setup is still in progress and no action is needed in this time period. Let's open AdSense. Click on Payment Info, which may take a little bit of time to load information. Here you can see my earnings in the new AdSense are still zero, while YT Studio Analytics show revenue is restored. So, these changes need 32 days to complete this setup. After 32 days, the option to change your AdSense account becomes active. You can see that the setup is still in progress. Now, let's go to AdSense. Here, you'll notice that my new AdSense account's earnings are still showing as zero. Such delays are uncommon, and YouTube support confirmed everything was fine. I just needed to switch my payment details from AdSense to YouTube. So just click on Payment Account and select YouTube Payment Account. After clicking, you can see all your payment information. To receive your payment directly in your bank account, click on Add Payment Method. After clicking, the payment method form will open. First, enter your bank account name. Next, enter your bank name. After that, enter your IFSC code. Next, enter your branch's SWIFT code. This information you will get from the official bank website. Next, carefully enter your bank account number. Again, retype the bank account number. Verify everything and click on Save. So, your payment method is added. Next, go to the YouTube Earn section. Here also you can see your setup is completed. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.